next updo, you're gonna want to leave your bangs out. In this scene, she has long bangs, but we're gonna change up the accessories and basically polish the hair a little bit more. But you're gonna want to keep it in the updo type of thing, but you are gonna want to bump the top. So take some hair and then tease it. I have a small tooth comb here, and then with a bobby pin, you're just gonna want to seal that down. Kind of like a bump, like so. Just seal it down with a few bobby pins. Like that, and then leave the bangs down. I'm still trying to figure out, probably tie that back right here, and make sure all your hair is more combed out of the way, like this, and leave a sufficient enough of bangs. Her bangs are longer than me in this scene, so it's gonna look a little different. If I had longer bangs, it would probably look nearly the same, but I don't. But you're gonna wanna take all your hair and then grab it, and instead of making it come out like a flare, you're gonna wanna hold it up like this. And then you can use your claw clip again. And just make sure there are no hairs sticking up. And it's just gonna look like this. Now this one isn't as accurate, but I just wanted to include it just in case you guys were curious about doing like a kind of pulled back, very laid back 90s hairstyle, just a bump, and then making sure that it's just all stuck like that. It's just all about twisting and tucking hair. But I'm gonna use this cute little heart-shaped clip and place that on the side, and that is what is gonna give you that 90s look. Like that, and here's another Buffy look. You don't really have to do too much for this one. You can leave the clips as is, and all she does is she has like some of the hairs that are out right here, and then just a small bump. So I'm just gonna take the smallest of bumps and some kind of cool little colorful clip. So you can leave your hair as is, and I'm just gonna take this little blue clip and bump your hair. And she did this a lot in the show, so just bump your bangs, and it has a cute little tie right there. And then this is the next look. Super easy. I'm doing them all in order because showing you how you can take it and change it up by pulling up your bangs. But this is the other hairstyle that she did. You can always make it more playful by adding just a little bit more color. I have more of these clips, and you can always stick a few like around here, and that'll give you more color. Okay, I don't think Buffy ever did that, but she was a little too cool for that. But we're almost looking 100% ready to slay some vampires, so. Okay, these next ones actually are with her hair down. So we're going to just make sure, like I said, you have straight hair for this. And she had this really cute hairstyle where she kind of shifted her hair like this to the side. I do have bangs, so there are going to be a few pieces that are going to be coming down. But I'm actually going to part the hair completely like this. So this is just a simple look, just straight hair down, and then your hair is parted to the side like so, and then just add some type of clip, like a flower, like this. And that is another Buffy look. That was essentially just the same hairstyle, but I was just showing you different ways you could use accessories to clip away your hair, like with barrettes and little clips. Now this next one is my favorite just because we get to flip up our hair. So like I said, my hair is already straight. Maybe we want to fix a few pieces that got kind of messed up. Another really Buffy thing to do is to flip your hair up, so I'm just going to show you. Just making sure I have enough heat protectant on my ends because we're going to be applying a lot of heat. I'm going to take my Conair tool and I just grab the ends of my hair and flip it up like this. Keep in mind that my hair is not as short as Sarah Michelle Gellar's, so it is going to look a little different, but it's going to give you the same type of style. So as you can see, my hair is flipped up now, and same on the other side. Okay, now you can see that my hair is flipped up sufficiently. I'm going to use butterfly clips for this section. If you take two different colors, it always makes it look more 90s. I got these off of Etsy, and I'm just gonna take the front section of my hair, and then we're going to just have it like this, and then we're gonna twist it, and then it creates like a bump. Then you can add your butterfly clips. And that is another inspired one. Okay you guys, but that is it for my Buffy inspired hair tutorials. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little long because I combined all of them. But yeah, again, another just disclosure, I don't think I look anything like Sarah Michelle Gellar, and I obviously don't have hair as short as hers, but this is just an inspired look, and if you came for inspiration, then you were in the right place. But I will see you guys in my next nostalgic tutorial, and I love you guys. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Bye guys.